Am I sick of it or am I sick of it? To stop or to keep going on? Take a minute to ask yourself that with so much going on. Stand in front of the mirror, look into your own eyes and think hard. And just try to figure out who you really are. Or maybe who you think. There's a few billion people in this world, but in a sense everyone should be extinct. No one can do you better than you can do you. So why try to be like someone else when you can be better off at doing you? Just be yourself. See, I'm writing this piece feeling all confident. I was told to put my own twist to it. That's what I'm about to do. Enough with introduction, you can agree or argue with my views. All I ask is that you keep an open mind. Yes, everyone is different, but sometimes they do think alike. That being said, let me show you how society nowadays has me feeling like. Look, everything is changing. It's a whole new generation. Technology, social media, cell phones, texting, tweeting, what happened to talking in person? Society has us brainwashed. Trying to fit in so much, we don't even know when to say enough. A new phone out every 6 months? Consumerism, obviously we need to get a hold of that. The influence of media is heavy. I mean, you see it daily. From six-pack ab man model posters to slim girls in bikinis. I mean, no wonder people want to be like them, copy them. It's because society is playing this season insecurities. It's easy to get fooled thinking we're seeing perfection, but take a closer look and see through their lies. Because one thing I don't understand is why. Why do they have to sell their products through the objectification of girls and guys? Honestly, nowadays, there's no one you can trust. At least, that's how I'm feeling. Because today, trust and promises are just words with empty meanings. I guess I'm an old soul stuck in an era I don't even know. Like, I'm sitting here surprised, wondering what happened to time. Bring me back to when the language was more poetic. When people said the word respect and actually meant it. Because I'm sick and tired of hearing of who can take the most bong hits and how many women every guy's had sex with. Celebrities and role models the younger ones look up to, they aren't any better. Got a lot of so-called rappers talking about drugs, money, and guns. That just makes the next generation's IQ suffer. I mean, it saddens me. How blind can you be? As long as you're rich and influential, you can be a killer but still walking free. And I'm sorry for what I'm about to say, but please don't get the wrong interpretation. Internet was innovative, but there's a downside to this invention. It opens up a bigger gate for racism and discrimination. You know I'm right with this. Except, since it's modern now, they use the internet, no more chains or whips. Again, sorry, don't get the wrong interpretation, but suicide rates in teens went up having cyberbullying as a reason. Too many people trying to seek power through manipulation and intimidation is pathetic and stupid because there's a difference between being feared and being respected. Don't judge me or label me an asshole, but I lost so much trust for people, I'm even starting to doubt the Bible. Because honestly, I think it's done more bad than good causing all these tensions. Jesus said spreading peace was his mission. It's hypocritical in a way, and hear my reason. If the church did care about the people, then why would there be so much fighting caused by money and religion? Society has us slaved, and it's painful to see how we as people, we're not trying to speak. I mean people, open up your minds and eyes. Stop being narrow-minded and blind. I'm 17, and admittedly, I'm still lost with who I am. Soul searching, got a million questions. But I'm doing me, not begging for anyone's acceptance. And quite frankly, I'm more honest than a lot of these politicians. Because I actually told you facts. You know it's corrupt when your ex-mayor used to smoke crack. Maybe not a lot of people my age will see my views and understand. But at least I was able to show the world where I stand. At 17, I see through the bullshit that society has. And it bothers me that a lot of you still can't, and that's something I can't understand.